measurements from it. Click on Cursor Measurements. Place one cursor at the start of the waveform cycle and the other at the end. Zoom in on one full cycle of the waveform. Now let us measure the frequency of the output voltage. 1 divided by delta t gives the frequency of the waveform, which is close to 50 Hz. As you can see, one cursor is placed at time t equals 0 seconds, and the other cursor is placed at time t equals 0.02 seconds, which matches the time period of the voltage waveform. This confirms that we have placed the cursors correctly, and the time difference is 0.02 seconds. Measure signal statistics. To make further measurements, go to Signal Statistics. This will show us different parameters for the voltage waveform that are maximum or peak voltage, minimum voltage, peak-to-peak voltage, main voltage, root mean square or RMS voltage. Now let us repeat the same measurements for the current waveform. The frequency again is close to 50 Hz. Let us now open the signal statistics for the current waveform. Here, we can see the same parameters as before: maximum current, minimum current, peak-to-peak current, mean current, root mean square current. Summary of today's lesson.